Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong February 16 to 29, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And also, please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated dito sa ating mga readings. So, please check out my Shopee rin. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Leo, let's see what's up with you second half ng February. Okay, so meron ditong 9th house. You have Mercury in Libra in the 9th house. 9th house is about higher learning, travel opportunities. So, maaring second half ng February, meron kang mga travel for abroad, no? For jobs, no? Abroad. Or pwede ring bakasyon. You have Mercury. Mercury is about communication, your thoughts. So, I think, meron kang mga transactions na gagawin abroad or may kinalaman sa pag-aaral mo. Maaring meron kang mga documentations na aasikasuhin. Some of you, this may be a romantic connection and you are starting to get to know someone deeply. So, yung iba naman sa inyo may mga gustong pag-aralan related sa spirituality, belief system, forms of divination. Maaring nagkakaroon ka ng interest sa tarot reading or sa astrology or anything that is mystical, o diba? So, let's see. Tingnan pa natin. Ano yung moon message for you, Leo? Moon message, okay. Believe in your good luck. First quarter moon in Sagittarius. Ayan. Positive thinking, being more optimistic. Oo. So, maniwala ka raw sa good luck mo dahil yan ay darating sa'yo. So, let's see. You also have new moon in Aries. Go for it. Ayan. Gawin mo na daw. Whatever plans you have right now at nararamdaman mo na ito talaga yung magbibigay sa'yo ng satisfaction, happiness, fulfillment, go for it. Oh. New moon in Leo, you're going to shine, Leo. Shine bright. So, second half ng February, maraming opportunities na darating sa'yo. May mga attention na matatanggap ka from other people. Maari ring makikilala ka internationally or you will have more connections, friendships, acquaintances, no, sa iba't ibang bansa. So, let's see. Maaari ring mas magiging creative ka this time, no? Marami kang ipupursue na hilig mo, no? Yung iyong hobbies or libangan. So, overall energy for Leo, you have the 3 of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, and the 9 of Swords. Nako! Yung iba sa inyo, maaring feeling nyo may failure sa inyo ngayon, especially sa pinag-aaralan nyo or sa inyong trabaho ngayon. Yung iba parang feeling nyo pagod na kayo or stress na kayo sa work ninyo. Maraming mga gumugulo sa isipan nyo ngayon. Lalo na kung pinagsasabay nyo yung pagtatrabaho tsaka pag-aaral. Oo, stressful talaga yan kasi you really need to manage your time. It's about balancing your energy, your time, your effort. With the 4 of Pentacles, no, don't worry kasi magagawa nyo to ng paraan. Oo, kasi 4 of Pentacles is about stability. Kailangan nyo lang talaga ng proper time management. And with the 4 of Pentacles, I see you na saving more. Maaring magsisave ka ng pera, no? Mas gusto mo na magkaroon ka ng financial stability. And with something na aaralin mo rin ngayon, so this makes sense with the 9th house here, yung mga pag-aaralan mo, itong mga bagong skills, meron tong maibibigay sa'yo na earning opportunity. So example, mag-aaral ka ng isang course na kung paano kumita online. So syempre pag nalaman mo na yung mga paraan na yan, pag tinake action mo yan, no, gino for it mo yan, it will bring you another source of income na makakatulong sa pagsa-stabilize ng iyong finances, no? So sa una, medyo stressful talaga. Maaring yung iba sa inyo parang magbe-breakdown pa na bakit ganito ang hirap-hirap, but you know, your efforts, yung mga efforts ninyo, yan ay merong rewards. So just, you know, go for it and focus on your goals. So speaking of money, career, finances, you have the Ten of Swords. So, ayan, medyo stress nga kayo. Pero patapos na to, no? Kung ano man tong stressful situation nyo sa career, sa finances ninyo, o, diba? You have the World card, completion. Alam niyo yung, yung energy ng, let's say sa college, meron kayong thesis, no? Tapos, yung thesis na yon sobrang hirap, yung proseso para magawa yon. Pero nung natapos nyo na, talagang sobrang gaan sa pakiramdam dahil nakumpleto mo, natapos mo. So that's what I'm seeing. And then you are moving forward na, no? With the Six of Swords, you are discovering more about yourself. Parang stop over, kumbaga, sa career ninyo, sa finances ninyo, sa business ninyo, na may mga kailangan lang kayong isakripisyo, no, sa una, dahil syempre that's part of our learning process, no. So opportunities will also come in sa inyo. Yung iba matutuloy na yung pag-abroad ninyo. With the World card and the Six of Swords, you are finally moving on, you're moving forward. Kung ano man yung stress na naranasan nyo sa pag-aayos ng mga papeles, mga visa, or kung ano pang requirements. Ayan, tapos na. Ayan na, papunta ka na dun sa destination mo. So, sa relationship naman, you have the Ten of Pentacles. And then, you have the Eight of Wands. Ang ganda. And then, the Five of Swords. Okay. So, ngayon, ang focus ninyo, family. Oo. Some of you maaring maka-experience ng misunderstanding within the family members, especially kung ito'y may kinalaman sa pera. Oo. Kasi, 'di ba, minsan yan talaga yung nagiging problema or nagiging parang punot dulo ng problema ng ibang mga families, no? Yung, lalo na kung merong mga inheritance na merong naiwan na mga ari-arian, yung mga lolo't lola nyo or even your parents, and then minsan napag-aagawan ng family members. So I think ngayon you will focus on aayusin nyo yon, pag-uusapan, kasi with the Eight of Wands is about communication, balikan na mga pakikipag-usap. Oo. And then, there's also good news. So, ibig sabihin, maayos nyo to kahit meron man kayong conflict regarding your family members. I also see someone na parang pwede tong bibigyan mo ng lesson ang isang tao na nagbigay sa inyo ng stress pagdating sa relationship. Yung tipong giving them the taste of their own medicine, parang ganon. So, maari kasing meron dito ang hindi naging totoo sa'yo, tapos na-discover mo, and then now, binibigyan mo ng lesson itong taong to. Let's see, ano pa? Family wishes come true. Ayan. So, kung ano man yung mga wini-wish mo para sa family mo na maayos, yes, ito ay maayos. So, don't you worry. Oo. Talagang family matters yung iba sa inyo, Leo. A two-faced friend. Okay. Some of you may be dealing with a person, a friend na hindi siya ganun ka papakita ng totoong ugali niya, and maaring ito, marirealize nyo itong person na to, kung sino ito, dahil, masusubok siya sa isang trouble or challenge ninyong dalawa, nalalabas yung totoong ugali niya. And you will realize na itong person pala na to ay pakitang tao lang or hindi pala talaga siya maasahan, 'di ba? Unreliable. So at least nakilala mo tong taong to. Okay? So be very careful then with dealing with people na sa mga lalo na sa pera ha. Oo. Baka doon magka-problema. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.